Hello, I'm Solbert, I'm the computer voice of Seoul, Texas company. There is a new way to run FWCloud. We can run it directly from the cloud. It is what is known as software as a service. It is not necessary to install the application to be able to try it. We just need to register. We will be asked for a name, an email address and optionally the name of our company. We need to accept the conditions. Subscribe if we want to receive news about FWCloud, and indicate that we are not a robot. We send the registration data, and if all the fields have been filled in correctly, we obtain the confirmation. And shortly we will receive an email to the indicated address. To validate the record, click on the Validate button. And the email address is validated. We can now create our FWCloud instance by clicking on the orange button. In the background, service creates the instance of the FWCloud application. This process will take approximately 30 seconds. In this demo we have accelerated it. At the end, it shows us our access data, the URL, the client code, the username and the password. It is very important to note that we must write down this password because it will not appear again. We also receive a second email reminding us of the access data, but for security reasons the password is not included. We log into the application with the data received. Once inside, we can create our first FWCloud. The cloud version without installation is intended as an easy way and fast to be able to test and practice with the application. For this reason the allowed cloud limit is 2. If for any reason this restriction represents a limitation, you can contact us. For security we will change the password. Likewise, as it is a cloud version, it is also convenient to activate a second authentication factor. Watch our videos for more information about 2FA on FWCloud. We can create firewalls and clusters. Again, in this cloud version we have limited the maximum number to 2. If you try to create more, a warning will be shown indicating that it is not allowed. As an example, we are going to see how the security policy created from FWCloud can be installed in a physical or virtual firewall in an external data center. In general, to access firewalls, FWCloud allows access through SSH or through the use of an agent. As this is a cloud version, for security reasons only access with the agent is allowed. The actions that can be performed are limited to those allowed by the agent. Watch our videos for information about the FWCloud agent. We need the key obtained in the agent installation. We indicate the IP of the firewall. This IP must be accessible from the internet. With the SaaS version of FWCloud, it is not possible to use private IP addresses to access the firewalls. The agent default port is 33,033. In this case, when we import the interfaces from the firewall, we see that there are no public addresses. We will access it through NAT. We are going to create a rule in the policy that allows us access from FWCloud. If we try to install the policy now, it will give us a timeout error. We edit the firewall, we see that we are accessing it using an IP from a private range. We create a new interface with the public IP that gives us access to the firewall. And we install the configured policy. We currently do not have any policies installed. We check that the installed policy is the one we just configured in FWCloud. We have only shown in this short video how to install a simple policy, but you can try and experience all the features of FWCloud. Please stay tuned to learn more new features about FWCloud UI.